how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can transfer your game data to your Game Center so you can play the same game on a different device. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is check if your Play Store account is synced or not. So first of all, you just open your Play Store, and after that just tap on your profile on the top right corner to see if this is synced or not. Once you do that, you are going to open the Google Play Games. And after your Play Games is open, just tap on the top right corner, the three dots, then tap on the Settings menu. And here on your settings, you will see different options like General, Profile and Privacy, and then Clear your data. So what you want to do is under Profile and Privacy, you will see an option called Automatically Sign in to Supported Games. Unfortunately, the option is not available on my region. So if this is available on your region, you will find it under Profile and Privacy, Automatically Sign into Supported Games. You just want to enable it and it will automatically sync to any supported games that you log into. And doing that will automatically transfer your game data to your Game Center. So that's basically how you can transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.